Hi everyone, so in today's tutorial, let's draw Izuku Midoriya because a subscriber asked me. Let's go! So first I'm drawing a structure to draw his eyes because I think the eyes are a big part of his face, so if we draw them earlier it will be easy for us and we will be in advantage. So for it you just need to draw two squares at the same height of the same size and then just draw these two lines for the eyebrow. The shape of the eye is actually not circles, so you need to avoid it. Try to draw as it is in the reference. I'm sure this tutorial is gonna be easy and you're gonna learn a lot of things from it. It may be looking easy to you even now, so I recommend you to watch till the end. Please don't leave in between, and you can just pause the video right here and grab your sketchbook and pencil and start drawing with me. I think it must be beneficial if you do. And right now I just started drawing the right eye in the same way as the left one. And also to all of you who are watching my video right now, don't forget to like the video and watch the video till the end. And if you are already not a subscriber, then subscribe to my channel too, because you may not see me again. And watching this video till the end and liking it and subscribing to my channel will be a great support for me. We have to draw the nose now, just below the line that we drew for the eyes earlier. And right now we are close to 1k subscribers, and to all of my subscribers and viewers, thank you for your support and love. And I promise to keep bringing such amazing tutorial in the future. And let's draw the circle to help us to draw the jaws. And now this center line. And just start drawing the jaws like this. And try to draw them as same as possible. I seriously have a list of anime characters which are pending to draw, and I promise I'm gonna draw all of them one by one. So be patient and wait for them. Oh my god, I wanna draw Eren and Mikasa together too. And to many of you, maybe this dress of him or maybe this is a mask. It may be looking difficult to draw, but actually it's not. See how easy it's looking right now as I'm drawing it. Okay, now that dress thing has been done successfully and easily, and now I'm drawing the hairs, and I hope they will be easy for you too to draw because there is not a structure for it, or maybe not an easy way too, but I'm trying my best. Okay, I have drawn all the hair strand across the forehead, and now it's time to draw the ears, and I'm drawing this line almost equal to the nose to draw the ears on the both sides. Okay, our pretty sketch is finally done, and now let's remove it lightly and do the outline then. So here I have an 8B pencil, which is a very dark pencil grade. Like if you drew a line with it, you can never remove it. So that's why I always say to be careful with outlines, because they can mess up your whole work. So finally the outline work is done, and now I'm gonna use a 2B pencil for shading. I'm starting from the hair, and like always I'm not gonna do much because it's a beginner tutorial, and if you wanted to do more, then sorry for that for now. Keep your sketch with you and wait for my next full shading tutorial. I will upload it too after drawing all the enemy characters I have listed. I hope you understand. So after 2B, I'm using a 2H pencil, which is way lighter than normal, and start shading in the eyes, and everywhere there is a shadow. Now finally I have Levi pencil. Finally, I have this shortest 4B pencil that I have, and do some more shading. So finally shading is done, and I think there is no need of blending. It's looking good, and do your signature in the end. And let's go to see the final look. And I hope you liked this video and it was helpful to you, and if really yes, then don't go without subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Bye!